अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं साहिल खान। आप देख रहे हैं अपना चैनल हुसामी न्यूज। सबसे पहले नजर डालते हैं इस खास खबर पर।
मोबाइल्स की नई दुनिया सेल वर्ल्ड, हर ब्रांड्स के इंतहाई वाजबी दामों वाले मोबाइल्स का ब्रांडेड शोरूम सेल वर्ल्ड अब चारमीनार पर एक नए शोरूम का आगाज। बेहतरीन मोबाइल्स और एसेसरीज की खरीदारी के लिए बेहतरीन मुकाम। शहर में सेल वर्ल्ड के 17 आउटलेट्स 15 साल से आपकी खिदमत में मसरूफ। पसंद आप सबकी सेल वर्ल्ड।
Never in the past, in the history of mankind, such large number of people were affected by a fear called COVID-19. We in India have lots of hopes from Bharat Biotech, Serum Institute and Pfizer for vaccine supply. So far, 1.6 million, 16 lakh deaths have reported worldwide. In India, 142,000 deaths have reported so far. The surprising thing is that nearly half the people who have died of this virus in India are younger than 60 age. The journey of Hyderabad city and particularly Hyderabad city police during these challenging months has been quite memorable. This is the reason we have tried to document the chain of events with pictures and narrations, which soon will look quite historical once the country is completely out of this pandemic.
After the Spanish flu of 1918, this is the most devastating pandemic the world has seen. During the pandemic, the courage, the spirit and the morale of the police force had to be kept high and the high-handedness kept low. With colleagues passing away every third day, with medical facilities tottering at the borders, it was a daunting task to keep the force on guard. It was indeed a Herculean task to save our people throughout the state. When we pass our orders, we do not mean to berate anyone. In fact, let me tell you, we salute each one of you for the high sense of spirit, for the moral courage, for the physical courage you have shown. It is not that we are unaware of the fact that our policemen have slept right through the nights in the hottest weather. It is not that we are unaware of the fact that 33 police officers have laid their life in this battle against a pandemic. It is not that we are not aware of the fact that at least 3,000, if not more, police officers have been infected by the virus. And yet, like a disciplined force of any other nation, we march ahead with our heads held high and with courage in our soul and in our heart that we will win and we will come out triumphant. To those police officers who have lost our souls, our heartfelt condolences to their bereaved family, our eternal salute to them, our eternal salute to all of you in this hall and those who continue to discharge their duties without fear or favor, without ill will or affection, without wondering and worrying about their lives, without wondering and worrying about their dear ones.